Assalamu alaikum. These guys are going to repair the excavator boom hydraulic cylinder. Well, but what is the problem? So this cylinder was wasting hydraulic oil at the site by badly leaking. It mostly happens when putting extra load on the boom. Check the highlights and don't forget to click the subscribe button because we need your support, guys. The boom cylinder is already delivered to the mechanic garage. The owner of the excavator was upset because the work stopped by opening this cylinder, or maybe it was an urgent work. But he could calm down because he brought that cylinder to the experienced mechanic, and he will repair it urgently. Firstly, opening the bolts from the top head cover of the cylinder with the help of an L key one by one. The head of the cylinder is near to open now, and the workers will pull the cylinder outside uniformly, not to damage the side polish of the piston rod, of mechanical craft by locals. Oh wow! The remaining hydraulic oil also comes out from the cave to feel the nature, putting on the side and start opening the parts one by one. The major nut of the piston rod is going to open by a chisel and some powerful shots. If you have a shortage of tools collection, then you should use the secret law of Einstein at every tool be enough tools. And the answer will be mission passed. And again, opening this part with the help of 2 L keys and chisel carefully, not to damage the threads of the rod and become tight again. Now every part should be inspected by a mechanic to search the problem, removing the dust ring first. This ring prevents dust from entering the cylinder. The mechanic decided to change all of its oil seals and bring the oil seals complete kit to stop its leakage. These parts became so shiny because the workers cleaned them with petrol. I think these parts didn't take a shower for a long time. So that's why they decided to stop work and visit the garage to take a deep shower and become fresh. All parts are clean and now start changing its oil seals. Some of the oil seals are not sitting in their place, so they use the same L key to push it in its place. There are too many types of oil seals using an excavator, but there are some names of oil seals that are using in boom cylinder, for example. O-ring, piston seal, wear band. Our hydraulic cylinder resealing services ensure such equipment runs at peak performance. All of these seals have different functions in the boom cylinder. Maintain the pressure and movement of hydraulic fluid. Without them, hydraulic systems can't work correctly. The correct hydraulic cylinder seals will maintain the integrity of the machine system and extend its working life. A hydraulic cylinder seal protects the hydraulic fluid and prevents the hydraulic system's components from mixing with external fluids. They also help to improve a system's overall efficiency and reliability, among other things. Pressure adaptability and contamination prevention, controlling leaks and preventing blowouts, cost effectiveness and easy maintenance, high durability and adaptability, safe and water resistance. Piston seal. It maintains the pressure within the cylinder, allowing the piston to move efficiently. Piston seals are used in various applications, such as air compressors, hydraulic pumps, and internal combustion engines. As critical components in any reciprocating system, they ensure the efficient movement of the parts while keeping the system sealed and maintaining the pressure within. Wiper seal. Wiper seals keep dirt, debris, and other contaminants from entering a system or machine. They are typically used for applications, such as hydraulic cylinders, pumps, and valves, and can be made from various materials, including rubber, polyurethane, and thermoplastic elastomers. Rod seals. The difference between a rod seal V's. Piston seal. Rod seals are flexible and keep pressure in and contaminants out, while piston seals are rigid seals that keep pressure in and lubricate in. Which materials are using hydraulic seals? Rubber polytetrafluoroethylene, rigid plastics, thermoplastic elastomers. Now, putting back the parts in the same way they opened it before. During work, the mechanic advises its workers that the main thing in machines or any spare parts is that you should remember the parts how you open then close it in the same way. After tightening the piston and the last major nut, need to put back the piston rod in the cylinder. Yes, come on, push it, you can do it. Oh no, brother, I think you should call a wrestler like Brock Lesnar or Big Show to push it. What, you really did it, bro, wow. You are such a strong man, mashallah. Lastly, closing all the bolts of the cylinder head, cover, and ready for work again. If you enjoy the video as an information mechanical craft with a little bit of fun, subscribe to my channel. We need your support, and thanks for watching my videos.